Welcome to our channel. ERD is an industrial electronic repair company that provides an industry-leading 3-year warranty. We don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The TDI shown here is a custom power supply used in a Varian tool for the corrector tool. This power supply also has a Varian part number E190-13481. This power supply has a variable output of up to 50 volts DC and has a current capability of 250 amps. At ERD, we fully rebuild these power supplies, and after the refurbishment, we attach the output to a large resistive load as shown here in the video. This TDI power supply was operated at over 150 amps with no issue, and since we used a resistive load, it helped heat part of our facility during the test. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more repair videos.